Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials: Android Studio, SDK, and a device that supports Arcore. Once ready, create a new empty activity project and set min SDK to 24. Make sure Google Maven is enabled in settings, then add the Arcore dependency to your app module build. Gradle. Sync the project, and at this early stage, declare the camera permission in Android Manifest. XML. Doing this now prevents permission and dependency mismatches later, so you can proceed to integrate AR features without backtracking. Next, add AR core libraries and a render engine like Sceniform or Filament. After adding implementation lines, sync and resolve any Gradle warnings. Then configure Android Manifest. XML. Declare uses feature for AR camera and add the AR core session permissions. Implement runtime camera permission requests in your activity because users can deny access. Once permissions are granted, create an R fragment or session and set up a simple plane detection config. This middle phase connects. Finally, build and install the app on a supported device. Emulators rarely provide full AR functionality, so use a phone with Play services for AR installed. Start the app, grant camera, and observe plane detection and anchors. If the scene renders incorrectly, check Logcat for AR core errors and open GL warnings, then clear app data or reinstall Play services for AR. One key troubleshooting tip: if tracking repeatedly fails, toggle device motion sensors and rerun calibration, because sensor calibration often fixes persistent tracking issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.